Hi, I'm Michael from Planet Naturopath, and I've been working as a naturopath and nutritionist for the past 15 years, helping people around the world optimize their health. In this video, I'm going to talk about the organic acids test. This is great from children right through to adults, especially if you've done a lot of other testing and you haven't quite worked out what the underlying cause of your health problem is. The organic acids test is perfect for that. The organic acids test measures mitochondrial function, dysbiosis, methylation nutrients, fatty acid metabolism, and the neurotransmitter metabolites. So it covers a lot of things. So if you're experiencing fatigue, autoimmune problems, mood, anxiety, learning difficulties, cognitive problems, the organic acid test is fantastic for that. So let's have a look at the test and you'll see what I mean. On the first page of the organic acids test, it measures the different mold, fungal, and dysbiosis markers. High levels of these can cause a lot of digestion problems, but also cognitive problems, fatigue, and just generally feeling unwell. On the next page, we look at the organic acid markers. This is looking at how your mitochondria works. Your mitochondria is like your cell's batteries. So if there's a problem in this area, you're likely to feel fatigue. This can be both physical fatigue and mental fatigue. On the organic acids test, or commonly known as the OAT test, we measure the neurotransmitter levels. These are the metabolites of the neurotransmitters. So it looks at dopamine, serotonin, noradrenaline, adrenaline, as well as the quinolinic acid and kyurinic acid. This is the neuroinflammation pathway. So if these are out of balance, you're often going to have conditions like hyperactivity, anxiety, feeling on edge, or learning difficulties. The OAT test measures markers for fat metabolism and nutrition. So it'll measure if you're in ketosis, which is good if you're trying to be, but not if you're not. It measures if you're burning fats for energy or not. Plus, it measures the markers for different B vitamin deficiencies. On the final page, we look at the glutathione and amino acid metabolites. So as you can see, it covers about 70 different markers, so it's a comprehensive test. The test kits can be shipped all over the world. The pricing on the website includes shipping to North America, and if you're outside North America, contact us and we'll give you a price on the shipping. All tests come with a consultation to help you understand the results because they're quite complicated, and you'll be given a written report and treatment plan to help you get your health back on track. Tests can be ordered at Planet Naturopath, Organic Acids Test, or if you have any questions, contact us at tests@planetnaturopath.com.